A beautiful 4-bedroom detached home with 4 washrooms in total and nestled on a quiet, child-safe court within a great family neighborhood of Central West Ajax. Welcome to 15 Gandy Court. With an exceptional backyard oasis that is perfect for both entertaining and personal enjoyment, this brick home also features an attached double-car garage and, with no sidewalk, has additional exterior parking for up to 4 vehicles. Landscaped front and back, the east-facing front yard has an interlocking walkway lined with shrubs and evergreens to the front entrance, the greenery providing privacy to a circular terrace that is beautifully suited as a place to enjoy morning coffee. Graced with exterior columns and decorative glass-paneled inserts with the door and its side lights, the front entrance opens into a main-level reception area showcasing ceramic flooring, contemporary light fixtures, and a center hall layout with a floating oak hardwood staircase to the upper level. The living room has 3 east-facing windows along a turret wall, its graceful curve adding an elegant design element to this space, and enhancing the ambiance of warmth felt within this, the dining and family rooms, plus the den, are hardwood flooring, a tasteful neutral decor, and ample natural lighting. The den, which is also well suited as a home office, features chair rail and a south-facing window with a light diffusing privacy blind, while across the reception hall is a formal dining room with California shutters on its north-facing window and a modern farmhouse-style light fixture bringing ambient brightness to this intimate entertaining space. Adjacent to the den is the family room, this inviting gathering place brightened with pot lighting, enjoying the added warmth of a corner gas fireplace with a stone hearth and accent facade, and having California shutters on a west-facing window overlooking the backyard. Ceramic flooring and upgraded light fixtures are featured in the west-facing spaces of the kitchen and its breakfast room, with pot lights bringing additional brightness to the kitchen. Granite counters, stone-tiled backsplashes, and richly hued cabinetry bring incredible warmth to this functional working space, and are paired with a stainless steel double undermount sink, oven with gas cooktop, built-in dishwasher and microwave, and a French door fridge. The kitchen has direct access to the dining room for entertaining convenience, as well as featuring a large pantry, upgraded cabinetry hardware, peninsula seating, and valance lighting accentuating the backsplashes, while the windows and sliding door walkout to the backyard in the breakfast area are complete with California shutters. The main level additionally features a coat closet in the foyer, a powder room with stone flooring and a floating vanity, as well as a mudroom with a sink, a storage cabinet, and access to the garage. The railings of the floating staircase are carried along both the main and upper level hallways, with the upper level showcasing hardwood flooring throughout, 4 spacious and naturally bright bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and a scrolled metal chandelier illuminating the upper landing. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms, as well as both washrooms, feature California shutters on their windows, with the second bedroom having a west-facing exposure, crown moldings, and a double closet. The main 5-piece washroom has the added brightness of pot lighting and features a tiled floor, a tiled bath area with an accent border and rainfall shower head, as well as a vanity with a granite counter and undermount basins. While both the third and fourth bedrooms have east-facing exposures, with the fourth bedroom also featuring an upgraded light fixture, crown moldings, and a mirrored door double closet. The third bedroom having 3 windows along its curved turret wall and a wall-to-wall closet. Through a double-door entry is the generously sized master suite. Enjoying the brightness of a west-facing exposure, This bedroom has a sitting area that is bathed in light through windows with north and south-facing exposures as well. Also featuring crown moldings and a ceiling fan, a walk-in closet and a double closet, both with organizers, are found off a short hall leading into the spa-like ensuite washroom. Showcasing upgraded tiled finishes throughout, as well as pot lighting. This relaxing personal space has a corner tub with a handheld shower, a glass shower area with a stone-top shower seat, a mosaic accent inlay, and 3 shower heads including a rainfall shower, as well as a vanity with a granite counter, undermount basins, and toiletry cabinets, one with a mirrored door. To the lower level is an oak hardwood staircase, and off the landing is a cold room, a laundry room with a double French door entry, ceramic flooring, washer and dryer, and a built-in storage cabinet with a stainless steel sink, as well as one of 2 entries into the unfinished section of this level, which, with its incredibly spacious footprint, can be finished to suit household or personal needs. Laminate flooring finishes the lower landing and is continued into the recreation area, which features pot lighting and has an entry into the unfinished section of this level. The backyard is the place for summertime fun with the family and for outdoor entertaining as well. The deck stretches across the width of the home and has plenty of space for barbecuing, dining, and conversation, plus the added convenience of a cabana with a 2-piece washroom inside. The deck steps down to a fully fenced oasis with shrubs, trees, and perennials for lovely touches of greenery, as well as a stamped concrete patio that also surrounds a 36 by 20 foot heated in-ground saltwater pool that is 10 feet deep and also has steps for pool entry and exit at both the shallow and deep ends. In addition, there is a concrete walkway on the north side of the home to one of the 2 backyard gates, while the walkway to the south gate is partially covered for outdoor storage. Walking distance to neighborhood parks, public transit, and Alexander Graham Bell Public, St. Patrick Catholic Elementary, and Pickering High Schools, and close to the Riverside Golf Course. This home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Center Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.